2024. This event continues to serve as a critical platform for fostering collaboration, innovation, and strengthening our agricultural sector, especially as we face the demands of an increasingly competitive global market. Emphasizes the tremendous potential of our agricultural exports. It highlights our ongoing efforts to expand into global markets, which are essential for driving trade, fostering economic growth, and promoting sustainable development. This theme aligns perfectly with the Philippine Export Development Plan, or PEDP, which seeks to position the country as a dynamic export powerhouse. The Department of Agriculture is fully committed to this goal. Today's event is an excellent opportunity to showcase the quality and diversity of Philippine agricultural products. These are not merely commodities. They are reflections of our rich natural resources, the ingenuity of our farmers, and our dedication to elevating Philippine agriculture on the global stage.
Matitikman nyo ng luto. Hotdog nga lang. Ay,
Squash, yeah.
sili.
Sarap ng chef, no? Kinaya mo, sarap.
Ling, okay lang kayo dyan? Wow, I love it. Galing. Alam niya kayo, trip tayo na ano tayo. Again, hindi kayo mawawala.